Okay, so we are gonna melt this polumna up now. Oh. Oh shit! Shit, that was epic. That was the best polumna so far. That was great. So here we're gonna fire mine up, which is probably gonna suck. So here we go.
Am I going? Are you? Okay, just do it.
Just fire it up.
Just do it.
Light it up.
What?
Come on.
What
the fuck?
Whoa.
The first one was with flash powder, which was smelters, and mine was with rocket powder shit, I don't know. Now this is with smoke powder and shit, so let's try that.
Yeah, this is serious business. Everyone, this is serious business.
Oh.
That was
And now this one, which is a lot of weird powder that's just gonna fly off. And we're gonna put it here, and I'll light it.
I'm still far away.
Yeah. Yeah. So that was the firework for today's video. Woo!